Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 72 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فأنجيناه والذين معه برحمة منا. Give Hamzin fa for top on jaws. Hamza is sharp for top on jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep the tongue straight. You are going towards the makhraj of jim, and you are keeping the gunna into your nose. J, jim is majhura for fatha upon jaws attached with ya, and this ya is lean. So when you're attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Na, two counts long. Who, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of waw is circling your lip, fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get zip off the wasut. La, fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The gives up zaba and zal, make it two counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A, ain from your throat, nicely for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Who, mad sila Sura, make it two counts long. Who, B, for kasra give E sound. Roh, Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa, and it is from middle part of your throat. B, roh, ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tim, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min, it has gunna, akmal gunna. Then na, it is two counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw, circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ta, ta is the most heaviest letter in the Quran, and it has itbaq, make it perfect heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached to the ain, ain will get sifa of the wasut, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Ta, na, two counts long. The dazzle is sharp, make it two counts long. D, focus give E sound, the sound is short. Roll, Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. The, two counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kaz, for fatha upon jaws attached dal, dal will get sifa of rakhawa. Kaz, the, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Boo, for the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. B, for kasra give E sound. A, two counts long. Ya, two counts long. T, tap is sharp for kasra give E sound. Na, two counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw is circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Ka, Kaf is light, make it two counts long. Nu, for the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. Mu, for the ma circle lips attached with Hamza. As you will touch Hamza, the sound will cut off abruptly because it has shidda, and your lips should be in a straight position when you will touch Hamza. Mu, mi, for kasra give E sound. Ni, because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat li sukun. فأنجيناه والذين معه برحمة منا وقطعنا دابر الذين كذبوا بآياتنا وما كانوا مؤمنين وما كانوا مؤمنين و مخرج الواو circle in your lips for top one just the sound is short. E focus give E sound. La 2 counts long. Sa for top one just the sound is short. Mu for the mouth circle lips make it 2 counts long. Da for top one just the sound is short. Hamza is sharp for top one just the sound is short. Kho is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Hum for the mouth circle lips attach with me, we will get sifa of the wasut. Sa is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ha 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy and this alif is heavy too. Make it 2 counts long. La for top and just the sound is short. Yeah is light. Make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy and this waw is lean. When you are attaching fatha with waw, you are making it soft. Ni for kasra give E sound, attach it ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. And ain should be from the middle part of your throat. Bu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Dullah. Dal is light for the circle lips. As you will touch lafz jalala, your lips should be in a straight position. Dullah. And lafz jalala is always long. Ha for fatha and just the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. La for fatha and just the sound is short. Kum for the circle lips. As you will touch idgham shafawi, your lips should be in a straight position and you're keeping this sound into your nose for a longer time because this gunna, this idgham needs gunna very nicely because this is gunna akmal. It has akmal gunna. Kum min for kasra give E sound attached with noon will get sifa of the wasut and hukmuhu with har. E for kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. In sifa is the wasut and hukmuhu with har. Ghain is heavy and this ya is light, lean. When you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Ra is heavy because there is dam on it, and because of this fact, we are giving sukoon on ha. This will bring in rakhawa. غير قد Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will be light and dal will get sifa of qalqala. قد جاء, make it 4 counts long because this is muttasil wajib. At Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hams and hams is flow of breath. At kum for the circle lips attached with this meme, and here you are giving ikhfa shafawi and this ikhfa will get gunna definitely. Kum bay for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa of rakhawa and at the same time you are giving number 2. You are giving jump to the sound and you are giving the number. Bayi for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tum idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mir, this is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound into your nose at all. Rob, Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda and shidda means cut off this sound abruptly. Rob P for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Kum for the circle attached with me will get sifa of tawassut. Kum ha 2 counts long. The for kasra give E sound. He 2 counts long. Na 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Tullah, that is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma on it. Tullah, and lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra give E sound. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum for the circle lips attached with me will get sifa of the wasud. 2 counts long. Yeah. Ya is light. And because of this fuck, you are giving sukoon here. This sukoon has changed this ta marbuta into ha, and the ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Then ayah. The give hamsin fa fatha upon jaw. The for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Uru. Ra is heavy for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Uru. Ha 2 counts long. Ta ta is sharp and it is attached with the shidda letter, so the sound will be cut off abruptly. Ta kul for the ma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Fi give hums in fa first and then make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is sharp up top on jaws attached with ra will get sifa of the wasud, and it will be heavy because it has fatha before it. Will God is heavy, but the lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Will um, because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad added list sukoon. Wa makhraj of vowel circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. Ta very sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mas for fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa for a khawa. It has safir and it is light. Masu for the circle lips, the sound is 2 counts long. Ha 2 counts long. D for kasra give e sound. Su mad muttasil wajib make it 4 counts long. For kasra give e sound, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're going towards the makhraj of fa and you're keeping the sound gunna sound into your nose. F give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. Yeah, yeah, is light for fatha upon jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get shifa of shidda. The sound will be cut off abruptly. Khu kha is heavy for the ma circle lips. The sound is short. The for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Kum for the ma circle lips attached with mim. You will get shifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. The 2 counts long. Bun for dhamma circle lips and give a sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar here. Adabun hamza is sharp for top and just the sound is short. Li because of this work we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. وإلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره قد جاءتكم بينة من ربكم هذه ناقة الله لكم آية فذروها تأكل في أرض الله ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب أليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.